Today we're answering this important question: what type of posts are more engaging and get me more results when I'm posting on my daycare social media platforms? So I'm going to answer this question, and I am going to base my answer on what I am seeing inside my monthly membership, my monthly community with other providers. And what I am seeing is these 3 specific types of posts get more engagement, more likes, more questions, and more messages, okay, sent to the owner of the business page, okay? So the first is, no surprise here, live video. Live video is amazing when it comes to your daycare pages, engagement. So the algorithm, we know it favors engagement, it favors live video, and just keeping more people on the platform, okay? So as a business owner, when you are leveraging live video and you're showing up consistently, and you're sharing about your program and you're sharing about what the kids are doing and any special events, this is amazing for your daycare's business pages reach. It reaches more people. Facebook actually takes this and shows it to more people in your community, which then encourages them to like your video, follow your page, right? And it's an excellent way for you to get the word out on your program, to increase that trust factor, because we know video does that amazingly, and to increase that engagement on your business page, okay? The second type of post that you can definitely try to increase more engagement is a video review or its basic testimonial post. Okay, so this is basically you sharing reviews from other parents in your daycare, some that are still in your center, maybe some have already gone through your program and absolutely loved it. Maybe you can get them to either write you a review, maybe you can share a snapshot of something that they wrote to you in a DM, or even better, get them to record a very short video about your center and why they loved it and post that. That is a great way for you, again, to grow your platform's reach and to really sell local families on your program, because there's nothing more powerful when it comes to marketing than word of mouth marketing for your daycare, okay? And number 3, the third type of post that you should definitely try are engagement questions, okay? So these are very basic. You don't have to go real fancy. You can even just type them up on your feed without even putting a picture or a graphic. It really is just a question, just asking a question. Usually it's a this or that, or fill in the blank type of question, or A, B, C, or D. Make it really simple for someone that's following your page to answer. And this is great because people want to give their opinion, like they really want to give their 2 cents. So it's good for you to post one of these maybe once a week. I know we do this inside our membership for our clients. We do post these once a week, and the engagement is there. Like I see it. Parents that have never commented on, let's say, my client's page before actually start commenting with their answer, right? So engagement type of questions that are short, fun, preferably that go with the theme of the month or the values of your business. And then once someone replies, then you go underneath and you thank them, right? So then that keeps your post up in the feed, so more and more people following your page and not can actually see that and comment underneath as well. So there you have it, 3 types of posts that can definitely help you increase the engagement on your daycare's social media pages. If you are in need of content for your business pages, you got no idea what to write or how to create graphics, and you need someone to do this for you, we actually offer a $7 social media content hub membership for home daycare providers. So for just $7 a month, you get instant access to a complete social media content strategy filled with daily posts, as well as graphics and short videos to post on your platforms. And we do this every single month. The link is in the show notes if you want to get some more information. Other than that, I hope that this episode blesses you and your business. If you do have a question, don't forget, you can always go to my email. Link is in the show notes, and you can email me your question, and I will answer it in one of these Q&A episodes. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye for now.